In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate sum and average. Whether you're tracking expenses, test scores, or any list of numbers, learning these two functions will save you time and reduce errors. Start by choosing an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Placing your answer in a blank spot keeps your data intact and makes it easy to find your totals later. Click that cell once so it's active. Next, begin your formula by typing an equal sign, followed by the function name and an opening parenthesis. For a total, type equal sum. For an average, type equal average. The equal sign tells your spreadsheet you're creating a formula, and the opening parenthesis sets up the part where you'll specify which cells to include. Now select the range of cells you want to calculate. The simplest way is to click the first cell in your list, hold your mouse button, and drag down or across to the last cell you want to include. You'll see the range appear inside the parenthesis as you drag. If you prefer typing, you can enter the range directly, like A1, A10. The colon means from A1 through A10. This works the same for vertical lists and horizontal rows. Once your range looks correct, finish the formula with a closing parenthesis and press enter. Your result will appear immediately in the cell you selected. For example, equal sum A1 A10 will give you the total of those cells. If you use average A1 A10, you'll get the average value instead. Remember, average adds up the numbers and divides by how many numeric entries there are. Blank cells are ignored in the average, while zeros are counted as zero, which can change the result. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the cells you're including really contain numbers, not text that looks like numbers. If the answer seems off, check that your parentheses are closed and that the range is what you intended. You can also type multiple ranges separated by commas inside the same function if your numbers aren't all in one block, like asam A1, A3, A5, A7. But the idea is the same. Function, opening parenthesis, your cells, closing parenthesis, then enter. That's all there is to it. Pick an empty cell, type either equal sum or L average, select or type your range, close the parenthesis, and press enter. With this simple approach, you can quickly total or average any set of numbers in your spreadsheet with confidence.